11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Oh, look at the camera. Yo, what's up, guys? Hey guys, welcome to the Lumiere Log number 5. I am Tim Williams, this is Joshua Kirk, and together we are Lumiere.
So for those of you who have just joined the Lumiere Log, this is a weekly look into the life of Lumiere, a digital startup here in sunny Nelson. First thing on the agenda to talk about is these logs. It's definitely a journey, getting used to talking to the camera with energy and making it exciting for you guys to watch. We definitely apologize for the last few logs. They haven't been that engaging and a little bit boring to watch. So we're working hard to make them fun and make them informative for you.
We're hoping to actually be a little bit more informative in these logs, so we're starting to write things down for you rather than trying to wing it.
Last week we also talked about pitching jobs. We didn't go into too much detail around that, but basically we put a proposal together. It was 16 pages, really beautifully designed. Can I say that about my own design? So we sent this proposal off to a potential client. We got some feedback. They said it was really professional. They loved reading it, but one thought was that the font size was way too small to read.
So a solution around that, we're actually just going to print A0 booklets moving forward.
Yep.
Here's our proposal. It didn't help that we printed it on glad wrap either.
Yeah. Come on, Tim. The time is 12:15, almost lunchtime, but this morning we had a big conversation around workflow and I guess future-proofing our processes now, so that when we employ people in the future and bring on more people, we've just got our processes rock solid. So we talked about a whole lot of online platforms that we can subscribe to their services to use to make our workflows more efficient. The first one is Asana. I've used it personally, but this is the first time I've actually ever collaborated with one other person. So yeah, we're excited about using that. The second piece of software that we're going to start using is Harvest. And this is a time tracker. So that integrates with Asana beautifully. And so we can track our time. We know where we're supposed to be, what we're supposed to be doing each day just to make ourselves more efficient. In the future, we'd love to dive into more detail around these two pieces of software. So stay tuned for that.
One of the exciting things that have actually just taken place. Last week we completed our first paid job.
Come on.
We actually haven't even launched yet. We haven't even done a soft launch, but we did our first paid job, which came in quite randomly. It was a last minute sort of thing. We were able to work with some quite high profile people here in Nelson, which was exciting. Something that we've been working on quite hard in the background is obviously the website. So we've been working on that, refining the wording and the content. It needs to be at a point where we can deliver it to clients before we launch, but is still providing them with enough information that describes who Lumiere is and what our offering is. So today we're going to be working on that, getting it to a stage where it's semi-live. We're going to get that up and running and get that off to some people that we're actually pitching to. I hope these logs are informative for you, or at least you're just enjoying the journey coming along with us and seeing what Lumiere develops into. Stay tuned for log number 6.
Coming after number 5.
Which followed number 4 too, and 3.